What we have here is a 2011 Harley-Davidson Dyna Wide Glide. Here's the worst part of the bike, actually. Lower forks are pitted. Perfectly normal for a bike this age with this many miles. How many miles? Well, press that button and it comes up under 17,000. While we're here, go ahead and play the pipes for you. They're Vance & Hines drag pipes, so yep, you can hear them. Previous owner put some aftermarket billet type foot pegs and toe shifter, as well as, I've not seen these before, brass knuckle passenger foot pegs. Okay. Color is black denim. The cool ostrich snake, some kind of unusual seat for both the passenger and the rider. Bike's in excellent shape, not too old, not very many miles, and priced right. It's also available 7 days a week for a test listen, nice pipes, and a test ride. Experience the Dyna handling qualities at North County Indian Motorcycle in San Marcos. Come on down, or up, or over.